Hello, hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and recently we actually produced this baluster on a 3-video series. We showed how we could replicate either a broken or an old baluster. And the first video showed how we designed it from a photograph, and then we programmed it, and the third showed this actually being turned on the Maverick E series. So I want to continue with this. I just felt like taking this design and I wanted to add some variations here to the actual center portion of the baluster itself. So I created 6 different variations, and so we'll come out with, again, just a short series of videos showing how easy it is to apply different design applications to an existing baluster. Today, we're going to add a rope twist to this baluster. So let's go see how it's done. This entire demonstration will be done on the Turning Workstation, which is a module that can be added to the Maverick E series at any time. Normally, the dust chute is closed to contain all the sawdust during the machining processes. However, here we opened it up so that you can see all the cutting action. All the cutters used throughout this entire cutting demonstration are from Magnate.net. Since this video is focusing on a variation of an existing spindle design that we did in a previous video, we're going to be going through the first 2 cutters pretty quick. If you want to see those broken down into greater detail and close-up shots where you have a better understanding of what's going on with the surfacing cutter and the tapered ball cutter, I recommend checking out the video, Turning Technique, Contour Turning from a Photo, Part 3. So after we duplicated the process of the previous spindle of turning it round with the surfacing cutter and doing the contoured sections with the 1/8" taper ball cutter, we can now proceed with the actual rope twist section to give us a variant of this spindle design. First, the rope twist cutter actually turns 2 profile sections on either end where the rope starts and ends. That way we have a smooth transition along the entire spindle. To get a balanced design for a rope twist, take some understanding of the different size of cutters and understanding pitch and the number of starts. Here we're using a 1.5" rope twist cutter with a 3-start spiral. This will actually give us a pitch, which is the distance the cutter travels per rotation, of 4.5 inches. On this diameter section, which is only 1.5 inches, the look of the rope twist is actually a little longer than normal and gives it a really elegant, balanced look. The programming for all of these turning processes are done with Legacy's Conversational CAM software. The software automatically creates roughing and finish pass processes. We can see that each start has a roughing pass, which takes about 75% of the profile height of the cutter in the first pass, and then a finish pass for the final detail. Spirals can also be controlled in 2 separate directions. Here, this is a left-handed spiral. To support our customers and those interested in learning about CNC before they invest in one, we offer online workshops that cover all of these types of details and much more. In total, it only took about 3 minutes to add this rope twist design to the existing baluster. And there we have it. It's pretty awesome to see what one cutter can do using Legacy's Conversational CAM software. So if you're interested in learning more about what a Legacy CNC system can do for you, I recommend you visit our website at legacywoodworking.com. If you have any questions, you can always leave them down below, but you can also talk to a CNC expert at any time by calling 801-491-0010. Now, if you're interested in seeing more cutting demonstrations like this, I recommend you just click right over there. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and check that notification box if you want to, stay up to speed with what we're trying to do here. And as always, thanks for watching. And remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.